Dialogue 1.
Good morning.
Morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. And you?
I'm good too. By the way, my name is Sarah. What is your name?
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm John.
Nice to meet you, John. Where are you from?
I'm from London. How about you?
I'm from Chicago.
That's interesting. Are you enjoying your day so far?
Yes, I am. The weather is beautiful. How about you?
I'm enjoying my day as well. Have a great day, Sarah.
You too, John. Take care.
Dialogue 2.
Hey,
Hi there, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well too. What's your name?
My name is Kate. What about you?
Nice to meet you, Kate. I'm Mike.
Nice to meet you too, Mike. Where are you from?
I'm from Toronto. How about you?
I'm from Sydney.
That's cool. Are you enjoying your day?
Yes, I am. The sun is shining. How about you?
I'm enjoying my day too. Well, it was nice meeting you, Kate.
It was nice meeting you too, Mike. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Kate. Take care.
Dialogue 3.
Hi,
Hello there. How have you been?
I've been good, thank you. How about you?
I've been great. What's your name?
I'm Lisa, and you?
Nice to meet you, Lisa. I'm David.
Nice to meet you too, David. Where are you from?
I'm from Berlin. How about you?
I'm from Paris.
That's fascinating. Are you enjoying your day?
Yes, I am. The city is lively. How about you?
I'm having a good day too. Well, it was nice talking to you, Lisa.
It was nice talking to you too, David. Have a great day.
You too. Lisa, take care.
Dialogue 4.
Hey,
Hi, how's everything?
everything's good, thanks. And you?
Everything's going well too. What's your name?
My name is Alex. How about you?
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Where are you from?
I'm from Vancouver. What about you?
I'm from New York.
That's nice. Are you enjoying your day?
Yes, I am. The weather is perfect. How about you?
I'm enjoying my day as well. Well, it was nice meeting you, Alex.
It was nice meeting you too, Emma. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Alex. Take care.
Dialogue 5.
Hello.
Hi there. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great too. What's your name?
My name is Sarah. And you?
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm James.
Nice to meet you too, James. Where are you from?
I'm from Sydney. How about you?
I'm from London.
That's interesting. Are you enjoying your day so far?
Yes, I am. The weather is lovely. How about you?
I'm enjoying my day too. Well, it was nice meeting you, Sarah.
It was nice meeting you too, James. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Sarah. Take care.